Hi, in this tutorial I will walk you through how customer and public user interact with the survey form in Stately. On the customer portal, user can access survey by clicking on the survey item in the sidebar. They will see a list of survey related to this business. To view a survey, user can click the preview icon. A new survey tab open on the screen. User can now view the form and fill in their response and submit it. After submission, a thank you screen is displayed confirming the successful submission. User can then return to the home page by clicking to go to home button. Then to review past submission, user navigate to the survey tab and click on the response icon. Here they can see a list of all submissions made for this survey. Clicking on any submission allows the user to view the detailed response they provided. Like here, he can see the detailed response of his response. Now we move towards public submission. When a public user opens the survey link, a verification box appears if verification is enabled in the survey setting. Here he fill the name and email. Okay, after adding the username or email, an OTP is sent to the user via email. The user enters the receive OTP to verify their identity, and once verified, user can access the survey to fill the responses. And now user can submit the form. This concludes the walkthrough of the customer and public user journey for interacting with the survey in Stately.